the new bright RC 1/10 scale Rhinomite. This is what happens when I walk through Walmart, down the RC aisle with all the nice, awesome toys, and something catches my eye. Remember that boat? It's still broke. But this right here, it's got 4 motors and some little nitrous thing that can shoot stuff out of its belly. We're gonna take a look at this right now. Take a look. Okay, so ready to run 4-wheel drive USB smart charge system, 2.4 gigahertz lights and sound.
Rhinomite, full function radio control with all-wheel 4x4 mega nitrous power. Rhinomite can raise up and drive vertically on its back wheels, do spins and rollovers, including self-riding capability. Fast charging USB system, all batteries included. Rhinomite.
All right. Here's that nitrous booster. You just put like regular water. It asks for distilled water, but I'm just gonna put regular water in it. Vertical drive, rollover recovery. That's interesting. All batteries included. Okay, let's get this thing opened up. Here is this awesome little beast. Each tire, each one has its own gearbox, its own motor. This is where you put the water in right here. Now, sits up. Nice little wheelie. That's how it can do the drive on its wheelie. This is where the water mist comes out of. So we want to get this screw out and see what's underneath here. This is where you charge it. Simple USB charging. Cord looks to be about 2 feet long. Nice. Let's turn this thing on. All right. Lights are lit. Let's see here. Man, this thing almost popped the wheelie. Oh man. Let me get some water here. Let me try out the little mister thingy. Alright guys, when you pop a wheelie, check this out. Okay, I'm gonna hit that button right there. Watch this. How awesome is that? Oh. Oh guys, this is gonna be fun. Oh, it's still misting. It's still misting. Okay, now if you want to turn off the noise, apparently you can do that. Yep. We gotta get this thing outside. Just a warning about the water driving. If you're going to drive in water, you got to take the wheels and tires off and clean these out. You got to get all that water out of here because water does get in. They are not sealed. Now, if these are nylon gears, I'm not sure what material they are. Nylon will absorb water. And when these absorb water, they will swell and your truck will be useless. Okay, so this thing is actually pretty cool. Floating in the water, messing around with the water. You guys saw my little sign that says, "Don't do this." That is because in the time frame it's taking me to edit it, this thing, the switch quit working and it randomly growls at me now. So it'll randomly just kind of turn on and growl and turn off. It's kind of a weird thing, so don't put it in the water. It's best for real low cut grass or inside. The little mister thing, pretty darn awesome. Does it still work? I don't know. I got plans for this thing though. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna have a little fun with it. But guys, in that description, I want to do my best to put a link to this somehow, some way. And guys, thank you all for watching. Guys, if you like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell. So, in the description, there's a link to become a channel member. If you want to become a channel member, it's a very simple $2, $5, $10, or if you really got some money, $25 a month. It's a simple way to support the channel. So, get that, and I am doing monthly giveaways for members only, so you might want to consider it. So, guys, use those links. Make sure you're subscribed. Thank you all for watching.